Hey guys, this is Swati, and today I'm going to talk about makeup artistry by Namita Boro. So I met Namita when I was in MAC Cosmetics. I was working as a makeup artist over there. Especially Namita used to teach a lot of tricks and techniques. For inspiration, you can check her Instagram account. You will love the smoky eye look that she does on herself. So I asked her to do a smoky eye look that I can wear with a sari, and I wanted it intense. Hope you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe guys, subscribe, and I'll see you later. Bye.